Now then, so the old saws had a trip to the car wash, bit of a spruce up. Covers have come out quite nice. Old flywheel pulley, sorry. Beautiful. So yeah, what we've done, we've taken the cylinder off, and this piston is absolute beautiful nick, as is the cylinder. No scoring or nothing. There's some chrome missing, but on the inside it is 50 odd year old. We're not too worried. If you do a lot of stuff like this, you might have noticed there's obviously an adder stamped on, which tells you which way the exhaust is. There's also a letter, and in this case a letter D. And here, presto, there's the same letter on top of the cylinder. So when they make these at factory, some are slightly bigger, some are slightly smaller, and they make them all up afterwards. A's, B's, C's, D's, etc. So it's important that them two letters are the same, because obviously an A being smaller in an E cylinder is going to rattle about, whereas an E piston in an A cylinder ain't gonna go. So that's about that. So as fuel line's absolutely knackered, we need a new one of them. This breather hose is alright. Yeah, she's in good nick. And here we are, a Tillotson carburettor. So we'll take this to bits and see what she looks like inside. So I'll take this side off first. It's in remarkably good condition, externally anyway. No corrosion really. All these screws are coming out without any thrutching. No jammed up screws. So let's have a look. So everything in here again is remarkably clean. Absolutely amazing. Those diaphragms don't feel overly crispy or anything. There's no splits. Absolutely remarkable. One thing you've got to watch is this little screen in that hole there. So petrol comes in here, comes through here into this little bowl, out of there and into there. So if we whip the other side off, I don't stab me then. So yeah, I'm that used to working with 3 Series Huskies. They're interesting, these. So there's no rubber boots on them. Inlet boot. You've got this plastic thing that joins your carb onto your saw. Delrin, I don't know. Hard, some black nylon. Could even be Bakelite. I really don't know, but not rubber. So these old carbs, I want you to be careful when you take this side off. If I can get it off. Yeah, there we are. Stuck to the lid a bit. Because we're a tight Yorkshireman, we don't really want to be buying any diaphragms. But, can you hear that? It's either an arm under here, and as this goes up and down, this diaphragm, it pulls that arm up and down, which releases petrol out of this side into your jet, or allows the saw to pull. And the quicker it goes up and down, the more that happens. But on these saws, what you've got, I can get it off. I might be knackered, this one. We might have to be buying one. Yeah, terror in my voice here. If it's knackered, we'll get another one. It's no big deal. Can't believe I've just said that. So there, what you've got is a little metal disc, and that pushes and pulls on that little arm there, which lifts this needle out of its seat and allows fuel to go through there. So if we squirt some carb cleaner in there, and then underneath, if we press that lever, it disappears. So that means that's working alright. So it's full there, so those needles seated, and then as I depress that, it empties. Good do. Ordinarily these just sit on top, but with these types of carb, this metal piece here has got to catch itself under that fork. If you don't get it back under the fork, it just won't go up and down. Yeah. little peep. Yeah, she's caught. So what I think we should do, everything looks decent in there. We'll put it back on. So, and once the fuel line comes, I think we should fire it up. Right. See there.